I can feel it. Okay, let's do this. Monday afternoon, June 19th, a little after 1 o'clock. It's time to cut some wheat. right one time around the field, let me get out and check behind the combine, see what I'm leaving behind. But I see a little bit of green in there. Okay, I made a few minor adjustments. And 17 and a half. Wow. I may have to wait. There's plenty of green kernels in there. I just have not seen this before. Okay, I'm trying to fly the drone here and cut weeds, so I'm not making a very straight road right now because I don't have autopilot on this machine. Cousins are baling straw today. There goes one of their straw wagons out. I'm watching my drone, what it's recording, and I think I just saw Sexy Rooster sneak by. Show you what my yield monitor says on this field. So I've done this field here, It's 2.5 acres. Yield monitor says grain tank full. So that is a minimum of 200 bushels, closer to 225. So at 200 bushels, 2.5 acres, my yield monitor says 80 bushels to the acre. Not bad. All right, I'm walking down to the barn to get the truck. I think what I'm going to do is go ahead and fill this truck. I won't be able to make it to the elevator today. I'll fill the truck, take it into the elevator tomorrow morning and see what that moisture reading is on it. I just checked it again, and 17 was that check, so it has dried out a little bit more, but I'm not sure about my moisture tester. It's an old tester. It's a reliable one, but I'm not sure if it's calibrated. So I think that's what I'll do, is just go ahead and load the truck, take that to the elevator, and get the real moisture check on it. I've only got a little less than 40 acres to cut. I thought about just going and getting it over with, dumping it in the bin, and then hauling it out of the bin. But I'm scared if it is 17% moisture to do that. So at least I want to get one load up there and get the moisture right. Another full tank, and I've still got some green grain in there. Yeah, I think the moisture is too high in this. I can feel it. It looks like this may be the last good day to cut this week. Actually, the first good day to cut and the last. Tomorrow, cloudy. Wednesday, 70% chance of rain. Thursday, thunderstorms. Friday, 50% chance of storms. Saturday, 60% chance of storms. Sunday, 70%. Yeah, we need the rain. And of course, the rain will come when the wheat is ready. I need just a little bit more to finish loading it. And it looks like storms building here to our west. This cell here is that one's going to miss us. We had a little cell pop up right there, but it disappeared. Partly sunny, highs in the mid-80s. Southeast winds 10 to 15, gusts to 25. Tonight, mostly cloudy. A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms in the evening, then slight chance of showers after midnight. Okay, well, I guess this wheat is going to stay out here a little bit longer and dry. Or it's going to get wet. But hopefully those green kernels dry up. All right, let me go cut just a little bit more to top off the truck. I see my neighbors in the field across the creek. But his machine is just sitting there at the moment. I don't know if they've got an issue with it or not. I may go see him after I get the truck loaded. I'll take a sample over there to see if he has a tester, a moisture tester. He's got one of those newer, fancier combines that I believe gives him a reading on the go. So I'm not sure if he still has a moisture tester or not, but I'll see if I can get a sample over there to him. And my battery went dead on the GoPro, so I had to pull the phone out to get the last bit of this. And there we go. The truck is loaded. Well, I took that sample to the neighbor, and he put it in his grain tester and came out at 16.6. So that's about where I was testing it with my tester as well, at 16.5, between 16.5 and 17. So I guess my old school tester that's been around for 40 years is still doing the job that it needs to do. So yeah, that's way too high of moisture for me. So I'm going to take that load in tomorrow morning and let's see what this rain does. There's storms building on the other side of the river now, so I just warned them as I was leaving. They were making a few adjustments to their knife. They were having a little chatter issue on the knife, so making a few adjustments. I said, hey, you better check that radar, you don't want to get wet. I guess that's the end of this video. I did put a new battery in to film this last part here, so I guess I can say see ya.